Hello everyone, greetings. My name is Mohammed Ali and I'm your host for this webinar using Google Colab, how you can deploy OpenVINO based AI models and applications. So, before starting this webinar, I would like to thank Ma'am Brenda and Ma'am Grace for allowing us this wonderful opportunity to share our knowledge with others as well as to learn from others' knowledge. So yeah, let's start this webinar. We can start this webinar by, first of all, we will access the OpenDevLibrary project. How? Simply by visiting our GitHub link. Yes, let's open Google Chrome. And here, what you have to type, it's simple. I will share the link in the chat box also. You have to type GitHub, github.com, github.com/ALIHUSSAINIA slash capital OPEN, capital DEV, capital LIBRARY, Open Dev Library. Let me share the link with you guys. Okay. Yes. Stop sharing. And here's the link. I'm posting it. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, we are hearing.
Yes, we are hearing you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you, Qasim bhai. Thank you, Haseeb. You all are working really, really great. Thank you so much for the help, bro. I'm really, really thankful to you. And thank you, and also thank you to Evie. Thank you so much. I hope you are here too. I have just shared the link. You guys can also find the link. Have you guys found the link?
Yes.
Okay. So let's come back to the screen and let me guide you how to proceed with it. Here's the link and enter. So here is our repo. It's OpenDevLibrary Project, and there are some folders, lesson 2, lesson 3, and there's an OpenDev notebook, which is based on CPU, and there's a readme. Whenever it's based on my experience, whenever you pursue any project or you want to know about anything, and you visit any GitHub link, please do read the readme. I mean, the document will tell you what the project is, how to deal with it, and how you are going to use it. I'm really, really thankful to Ma'am Brenda too for giving us this opportunity. Really, I mean, I really want to make this webinar. So here we are, OpenDevLibrary project. First of all, you have to download it. Here's the link given. Basically, Google Colab uses Linux-based operating system. So on the backend, there's Linux on the of Google Colab. So you can download OpenVINO for Linux from the link here. It's really easy. You just have to click the link and let me open it in the new tab. Okay. And here, register and download. It will simply ask you to sign in. I'm already signed in, and then you have to fill it which operating system you want OpenVINO. So you have to say we want for Linux. Okay, not FPGA, just simple Linux. Then step 2, You have to open up a Google Drive with the name of OpenVINO and upload the downloaded uh, OpenVINO toolkit installer file. It will be of an extension .tgz file to a Google Drive folder. OpenVINO. Okay. It simply says open a Google Drive folder. My Google account is signed in. So here are the Google apps. Just right uh, on the left, just on the left of your icon, your name icon. So here I click on it, and here is Google Drive. Uh, are you all able to see?
Yes.
So
Yes.
so click on the drive, and as the README says that create a folder OpenVINO. So yes, I have a folder. You can create a folder simply by clicking new and the folder, and it will create a prompt, and you have to type the name. You have to say OpenVINO. That's it, and create a folder will be created. I think that's really easy. So I I will just jump into the OpenVINO folder. Here it is. Double click it. For now, just ignore all of these files. I mean, I'm working on this directory, so that's why you people are seeing these files. Your folder will be empty, and what you have to do, you have to uh, drag and drop the installer file which you have downloaded into that folder. The file will show like this. Can you all see this file?
Yes, we're
Yes.
seeing the file.
Yes.
Are you all able to download it too? I mean, I hope you people won't have any problem with that. Um,
So, I believe to download it, you have to register. So
how,
for those who
how to
haven't registered, they should register before.
here's the link. Here's the link given. You just have to follow the link and follow the steps. Here, register and download. Click on it, and it will simply take you to the downloaded file. It's really simple. Due to the time limit, I have to move on. So here's the third step. As I said, I'm working on it. So that's why there are some bugs because currently I'm alone. So if you can help out, it will be great. So okay, clone and upload any open notebook repo. Okay. So how you can do this? I am just creating a folder with the name demo 101. Not here. Okay. On the home page. Let's create a folder. Uh, demo open vim. Okay. And just to tell you how to access Google Collaborative file. Once you have access to that, you can just click and run it. So click in the folder, and when you are in the folder, you have to drag and drop the file, as well as you have to just right click it and go to the more. Now please focus on the cursor. Uh, Here is showing Google Collaborative, but if you are new to Google Colab, it won't show. You have to click on Connect More Apps. When you will click on it, uh, it will show you this prompt. Search COLAB, Colab. It will give you Collaborative the suggestion. Click on it, and here is the icon, CO, Google Collaborative icon. Click on it, and installation is very simple, just one click to install. So install it. When you and it will take, I mean, a second to install. So when it gets installed, right click, go to more, and scroll down. When you will scroll down, you will see Google Collaborative. Are you people are seeing this Google Collaborative sign?
Yes.
Yes, we are seeing this Google Collaborator. It's fine.
Thank you. So click on it, and it will open up a fresh Google Colab notebook page, just like a Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now it says clone. So before cloning, you have to mount the device. You have to mount to the folder. Where this notebook is currently existing, which is our demo underscore OpenVINO folder. Uh, all the steps are given here. Uh, I'm just telling you about the OpenVINO notebook mounting. How to just mount a Google Colab notebook. And the good thing is you can use this method not just to use OpenVINO, but to also train your deep learning models on a free GPU too. So just copy and paste this command. I will share this notebook too in the Tech Hub, or yes, in the Tech Hub channel, so you guys can also access this file. Okay, so uh, to run it, just use Shift Enter as we do in Jupyter Notebook. Shift Enter. It will take a little time, and then here is the link. It will give you. It will take you to your sign-in page. I will sign in with my account, and then it will ask you about some permissions. Once you give them, once you allow the permissions, it will give you a key. The key is confidential, so that's why, according to the data policy, maybe it will not be right to show here on a recorded session. But uh, let me let me do this quickly. Just a sec. Okay, I have copied and here. So I have copied the success key. I hope you guys are understanding what am I saying, right?
Yes.
Is there any problem? You guys can say me. How much the time we have left. I will try my best to guide you as much as I can. I'm also a student, so I'm also learning. So I think I have a right to make mistakes. So I will share the. I will paste the key uh, given by the Google to me. So it will just show in a new tab. So Control C and Control V. So here is the key, and I will enter it. Once I will enter it, it will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 seconds. Afterwards, if you are not talking, please mute your mic so that others don't get disturbed. I don't know was I just said generally. So here you just have to see it's Linux. So here's the loading done. So we are this notebook is now mounted. So we will now cd means change directory. So we will change the directory to our very folder where we are working now. One thing for deep learning too. When you will work on deep learning projects, you will definitely going to need GPUs. Google offer free GPU on a notebook. To access the GPU, you have to click on runtime, and here change runtime type, and here you can change from none to GPU. Do not click on TPU, it will ask you money for that. For every minute maybe it will ask you some charge. So that's why GPUs are free for 8 hours. So click on GPU and save. When you will save it, you have to rerun all the things. All the cells you are working on, but then the GPU will be activated without of any code. You don't have to write any code to activate GPU. It will just be activated. So right now, I don't need any GPU support, so that's why I will just continue with it. So CD, and then we will move towards our OpenVINO, since this is a demo thing and we are currently in a directory OpenVINO demo underscore OpenVINO. We can also check our folders. I mean, if we are not sure on in which folder we have to jump in, so just change the directory to your my drive and then use ls for listing out. Shift enter. It will show you all of the folders I have. Since I have so many folders that it is also confusing a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so it was demo underscore yes, demo underscore OpenVINO. We have to copy the name and cancel. So I will use just this command. I won't create another cell for it. So paste it. Now here what is happening? Content is the main folder. Drive is the home page. My drive, and now in the my drive we are going to change our directory towards demo OpenVINO. It will be our local folder. So just like in Jupyter Notebook, we work uh, remaining in a single directory, our working directory, and we bring all our data to that directory so that we can easily access the CSV files. So same will happen here. We can also access files, whether CSV or anything, right from this folder. I mean, we just have to drag and drop all of our data into the folder, and we can work easily on our Google Notebook without having any issue with where to find the data or how to upload it. Okay. So shift enter. It will say that yes, we have successfully changed our directory to demo OpenVINO. And now when we check what are our files by typing ls and shift enter, pressing shift enter, then it will say that there is only one file untitled 0 IP1B, which is its name. You can change its name to demo.ip1b. Okay, and then control S. It's saving, and now if you will check, it will say okay. It's going to take a little bit time to understand. Here it's saying demo.ipynb. Okay, now if we move towards here, OpenDevLibrary, which we were checking out. So now, since there's very little time remaining, uh, let me just quickly show you, give a quick brief what's going to happen. So in order to have this whole repo uh, in your demo underscore OpenVINO folder, you just have to here click on clone or download. When you will click it will give you a link. Copy it by clicking here, or you can just control select all the link and control C and control V. So here you have to control C, or here you can click on that. It's a copy button, so it will click it. It will copy it, and then you have to come back to your notebook. And for cloning, we have to use exclamation mark. I mean, Google Colab use exclamation mark, and we have to type git clone, just as we usually clone our Git repo using CLI. Git space clone, and then we have to paste the link. Now, since it's a console-based type system, so we have to enclose our link in a quotations. So here is the git clone and the link. I mean, till here, is there anything that you think I have to uh, uh, guide you again? I mean, is there anything that is disturbing to you?
Now everything is okay.
Okay. So when you will do all this work, you have to just shift and run, and it's cloning, and voila. So now we are going to check whether it has cloned or not. Uh, just a sec. Here. So if you are following with me, you just have to refresh this page, and you will see OpenDevLibrary Project cloned freshly into your this folder. How does this happen? Simply because we first of all mounted the drive, and then we changed our directory to our folder, and then we cloned. So the cloned OpenDev whole repo just came in to the open demo underscore OpenVINO folder, which is our Google Drive folder, uh, in which we are using this notebook. Okay, so till now, you just have to do this, and furthermore, you can play out with the notebooks. There are notebooks in that folder. Let me give you a quick brief how the notebook is going to look like. Just a sec. Here. So we are in our OpenDevLibrary repo. So here is a lesson 2 folder. Here is a lesson 3 and a general notebook and a region. So why there are only lesson why there's only lesson 3, and in lesson 3 there's a TensorFlow conversion model. So why just that? Because as I said, due to working alone, uh, I am really working slowly, but still I'm working, and I think that sooner it will get complete. So you have to go to lesson 2. When you will enter into lesson 2, you will see there is a lesson 2 notebook. You have to click it, and then it will load. Uh, the same exercise which we did in lesson 2, I have practiced it on uh, Google Colab using kind of same code, uh, which the exercise is same as we did in lesson 2, deploying our first edge app. So here is the code. First of all, as I showed you, I mounted the drive, then I imported some libraries and installations, and then after the imports, we went down. Don't think that it's going to be so much of download to your local thing. I mean, it's all going to be on the Google Colab or Google Drive folder, so there's nothing to worry about. And here Here we define the OpenVINO path. As I said, you have to upload this installer file. It will show like this. I don't think so that the screen will cover that, but when you will download it, it will show like just like this with this name. So you have to upload this file into your uh, Google Drive folder, and then you have to just define the path. So here's the path, and then I wrote down here I wrote down some scripts, uh, just following just following all the commands which were taught by our instructor Michael in our Udacity code. And so here's our OpenVINO is installing, and still installing, and it's not going to take so much time, maybe not more than 5 minutes or so. Let me do this a little quickly. So till here, our OpenVINO is installed in our that folder. Afterwards, uh, just following the exercise, I have also linked down to three models which we were guided to download in the workspace. So I downloaded them here using these commands. Uh, I hope you can see all of these things. Uh, Kasim, can you all see this screen?
Yes, yes, we are hearing, seeing this.
Yes, watching this. Okay, thank you. So, okay, so here all the three models are getting downloaded, and then I I switched to home and workspace. I also created those folders. They are also in the OpenDevLibrary no, lesson 2 folder. These folders are in that folder, so you don't have to worry about them. And then I tested since there is no terminal here, so I additionally just use OpenCV and to render the output. And here's the output. Our model uh, told us I gave this image to the model. There's an input folder where the image is, and then our model took that image as an input, uh, ran some inference on it, and afterwards it told us some metadata things about our car. So it's our AI model that has said us that car color is blue, and since it's a car, so it's the vehicle type is car. So that's how you are going to deploy your first Edge app. And I'm really grateful to all of you for keeping everyone here. Special thanks to Qasim, Haseeb, and Ivi. So Ivi just reached out to me on Slack too. So thank you so much, guys, for being here, for taking this session. I hope uh, I have maybe guided you a little help towards going for training your deep learning models on Google Colab as well as your OpenVINO, deploying your OpenVINO based AI models on Google Colab. If you guys have any issues, please reach out to me. Uh, you can directly message me or you can ask any question now at the uh, Tech Hub channel too. So I hope that you guys don't have uh, any kind of trouble during this session. I mean, from the regards of learning. Do you guys have any question? You can ask me now. Uh, do you guys have any question? Okay, so I'm really grateful to all of you uh, that for your so kind and generous comments about this webinar and the presentation. I'm really grateful to all of you. Thank you so much for being with me and supporting me that much. I'm really grateful to have such a loving Slack family. Um, if you guys think that now we should um, um, end up this webinar, please let me know. Thank you so much. I think that now I should end this webinar. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you for coming in and joining us and taking this webinar. I hope that you all are going to be great learning experts, as well as you all are going to deploy um, awesome apps using OpenVINO toolkit. Thank you so much, everyone. I think now I should take your leave. Have a great day. And yes, please benefit yourself as much as you can from the study jam session. Um, it's it, it has just one purpose, to help you as much as it can. I will be online on I will be online on 12 p.m. EST time in the motivation channel. So I hope to find you all there too. Uh, let's have a great study jam session too. Okay then. Now I will take all of your leave. I mean, uh, now I think it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.